the last pole we are controlling the first street light. This is the vehicle detection based street light system, in which these are the IR sensors to detect the vehicles, and these are the street light poles which will turn on detection of vehicles only. If there is no vehicle on the road, street lights will be off. Now again, here this one is the LDR to detect the day and night status. If there is a daytime, then street light will remain off, and if there is night, then the street light will on whenever vehicle is passing by on the road. So here this LDR sends the light, and depending on that the street poles will be on. This is the Arduino Nano board, which is the main controlling part of the system. This Atmega 328 microcontroller based board measures the amount of light using this LDR and detect the vehicle using this IR sensors, and depending on that the next pole will be on. Means when vehicle is here, this pole will be on for next 3 seconds. Likewise, when vehicle will pass, the next pole will be turned on. Street lights are off here now also. Now we will cover the LDR, which will indicate that this is the night time, and whenever vehicle will pass on the road, the next street pole will be on. So here the next poles are on, and after some time the street poles will be off automatically. So again, after detection of this next street pole is on, the next one is on, and the next one is on. After the last pole, we are controlling the first street light.